Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Nighthawk RS200 Wi-Fi 7 router step by step. So whether you are upgrading from an older router or setting up a brand new network, this guide is going to help you get your Wi-Fi, your internet or the smart devices connected properly in just a few minutes. So first of all, you just have to turn off your modem and simply wait for about 30 seconds. Afterwards, you just have to connect the modem to the internet or the WAN port on the back of your Nighthawk RS200 using the included Ethernet cable. Afterwards, you just have to plug the router into power and you just have to turn it on. Then wait until the router's LED light becomes solid, which means that the router has finished booting and it is now ready for the setup. After doing so, you just have to simply take a look at on top of the sticker, which will be available either on the back or the bottom of the router. Now on top of that particular sticker, you are going to see the Wi-Fi name and the password printed. So you just have to simply open your phone or your laptop settings, and here you need to come inside the Wi-Fi settings. Make sure that you turn on the Wi-Fi and take a look at the Wi-Fi networks over here. So you need to simply connect to the Nighthawk network using these details. After doing so, you just have to simply open the Nighthawk application on your phone. The app is automatically going to detect the RS200 router and will guide you through the setup process. So during the setup, you can create a custom Wi-Fi name, you can change the password and even finish activating the internet connection. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.